About 600 miles from Ecuador's mainland sits a destination unlike any other, a volcanic archipelago known as the Galapagos Islands. Straddling the equator, the islands formed over millions of years on top of a hotspot where hot molten rock rose through the Earth's mantle towards its crust to eventually create a truly geologically unique destination. This incredible place also has a unique position, sitting where 4 cool and warm ocean currents meet, leading to a range of climates and environments, with each island having its own distinct flora and fauna. In fact, the archipelago is home to one of the highest levels of endemic species in the world. By the way, wildlife spotting here is not difficult. The animals are everywhere and they aren't shy either. You definitely won't want to leave your camera at home for this trip. Now, one of the best ways to explore the Galapagos is on a small cruise ship. This way, you can comfortably reach remote islands and experience all that this bucket list destination has to offer. What can you expect on the trip? Grab your passport and join me now on a 5-day luxury Galapagos cruise aboard WildAid's MY Passion.